My name's Josh Stiffler. I work over at Roper Kia in Joplin, Missouri, and I've been on the sales staff for about 5.5 years. I think the biggest reason that they should use a Facebook page is it gives it the personal touch. They can draw people to them to take to the dealership, and they get to have the customer see who they are and stuff that interests them, and a unique spin for them personally. My Facebook page drives quite a bit of traffic. At our lot, I was consistently about 70 to 80% self-driven. I would say Facebook would give me 12 to 15 leads a month, and I could probably count on 3 to 6 sales pretty easy. Facebook actually cost me nothing. I chose to do a couple things that had a little bit of cost. I would do some giveaways, some self-branding, and occasionally I would boost some posts. But Facebook itself would cost me nothing unless I chose to spend money. I am the American Pie car guy in Roper Kia. It's funny, my kids know me that way. My customers refer to me, and a lot of people throughout the community will recognize me and actually make reference to American Pie or apple pie. If you're going to post something that's interesting and that means something to you. If you're doing it because you have to, or your dealership is making you do it, you'll be less driven to do it, and in return you'll be less successful. If you take it around your passions and find stuff that you're interested, that you're motivated, that you enjoy, it's very, very easy to do. Some of the things that I like to do is I like to find ways to give back. I like to find ways to give back to the community or be involved in the community. And lastly, my motivation is my family and my kids. So my kids are part of a lot of the pictures, the videos, and involved in what we do. The biggest thing I would tell you to do is be consistent and do it. It doesn't work if you do it for a couple days, let off of it, and then start it back up in a couple days. You have to get your momentum rolling and going, and as long as you stay consistent, people will continue to contact you, people will continue to be active on your page, and you'll see leads come your way that you probably never would have seen. So right now what I'm doing for this month, I'm giving away a firework package. I've talked with some people I know that sell fireworks, made sure that I found something that'd be interesting to the community, and it's really easy. I'm going to give away several big fireworks, and all they have to do is like and share my post, and it'll probably reach 20 to 25,000 people. I think it was over 25,000 reach as well last year. It's slowed down right now to, it's only like 15 or 16. Yes, but it'll continue to gain some momentum.